going to cook some sweet food. Guys, in Jamaica here, we call it coconut curry fish with mashed potato. Guys, they don't want it to finish. So guys, this is all of the ingredients I'm going to use, and I'm going to put it down in the description for you to know what I use. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to dry my fish because I already washed my fish with vinegar. I can use lemon or lime to wash your fish. So I'm going to season it now. Put it away to marinate 20 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get in my coconut powder. I'm going to use a cup of coconut powder. I'm going to get in my water. Put a cup of water. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix in all of the coconut powder, mix right out. If I mix out, you're going to get in your curry. You're going to mix out your curry. We're going to get in small more curry. So we're using about 2 tablespoons and a half of curry. We're going to get in all of our chopped season. We're going to put in our fish season. Some mixed spice season. Then we're going to allow it to cook for 3 minutes before we get the fish inside of it. So guys, look on it, it's time to get in the fish. We're going to get in our thyme to stir and steam for the flavor to come up on the fish. Wow. I'm going to get in a slice of butter. I'm going to turn over the fish to take the curry. My God. Wow. Wow. Can I coconut juice? My Lord. This is so healthy for your body. Coconut is very healthy for your health. Wow. I'm going to give it 4 more minutes and then I remove my flame. Wow. Can you gravy, man? Can smell the crushed bonnet pepper. So it's time to remove my flame. So the first thing I'm going to do, my water is already on. I'm going to get in some salt. And I'm going to get in an egg. Remember to wash your egg. I'm going to do my mashed potato, and you have to use egg to do your mashed potato.